think this refers to the this that we all have. It's the this in the room, the elephant in the room. It's the thing we're not dealing with, but that we each need to deal with before we go on, or at least that's true for the characters in this play.
The play follows the central character Jane, who's a single mother.
Jane and Alan and Meryl have been friends since college, and Jane has her husband passed away a year earlier.
One of the girls is married to a guy named Tom, who also was at the college at the same time, so they've all really been friends together.
They have remained very close in New York City and sort of rely on each other and are more or less family.
And then there's someone new in the picture who we get to meet, Jean-Pierre.
Where I come in is I'm sort of an instrument that's supposed to get her back on the dating scene.
It's about a group of people who are backing their way into middle age, and they're all, in their own very specific ways grappling with mortality, I would say. With a smile. It's a comedy, in part.
It's like a petri dish of people who've spent maybe too much time together.
So much of the play is about that, like really trying to help a friend in need and having that go a little awry.
In one way or another, I feel like I know somebody like each of these characters.
It seems to me that it's where I am and where my friends are in their life, and I just found it unbelievably truthful.
Everyone who comes to see the play is always surprised by how the play keeps them zigzagging and tugs them in all these different directions, moment to moment.
I think it's funny, I think it's very poignant, and I think people will see things in the play that they can really identify with.
It's a lot of fun. It's really, really rich writing.